All right, guys, huge special announcement today only. Wow, what's that? There's a box. Didn't open it at all. It's the hardest box to open in the world. All for this. You guys remember the incredible golden ticket contest? La 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 la. Congratulations, you have won Randall Whitaker from Conroe, Texas. You are coming to the Braille house to skate with us and be in a Braille video. I'm super excited to see you. It's gonna be an absolute blast. And here we go, into August for the next raffle ticket. We didn't want to make it the exact same contest, so this will be the diamond ticket. For the entire month of August, we're trying to get a lot of people into skateboarding. So it's 15% off all skateboarding made simple, and for every $10 that you spend, your name will be entered into the raffle for the diamond ticket. If you thought gold was intense, diamonds are even more scarce. If you get the diamond ticket, you will be flown to the Braille house and you will get the very first try skateboard that we ever made for the First Try Foundation. And it will be signed by the entire Braille crew. You'll be flown out, be in a video, and we will have a blast hanging out with you. That's for the entire month of August. Boom! I'll see you there.
All right, Fetty, we're here today, and we're solo filming this one because this is a you video.
A me video.
I think you're gonna really enjoy this. I think you guys are gonna be excited. I may have taken a sneak peek at the email that showed what is in here, so I know, but Fetty has no idea what is in this box, so we're gonna let him open it and give him a nice surprise.
Wooden mini skateboard.
Don't read
Plus
that.
stickers.
Don't read that. I really want your genuine reaction on this because I think you're gonna be really excited. Well, for most of them.
Do I have to read? I don't read.
I can. I'll read it. I got you. Hey guys, we're from the UK and we've started our own business called Old School Relics Custom Shop, where we create unique hot rod and American-inspired pieces, custom paintwork, custom guitars, and handmade skateboards and fingerboards. We are big fans of your channel and love watching your "You Make It, We Skate It" videos. We wanted to make you guys something cool. We were thinking, and instead of making a new board, we decided to make you some Braille editions of our wooden fingerboards. Wow. All handmade with Canadian maple and bamboo. We've tried to get them as close to the real ones as possible and think you will really like these. They can also be used as key rings. We got a lot of negativity about our work here, but we hope you guys like what we've done. Check out our website, www.oldschoolrelics.com, our Facebook page @oldschoolrelics and Poseidon Guitars, and Instagram @Mitchell_Hayes98. And that's school with a SKOOL. I don't know why you guys are getting hate for that. I think this is freaking awesome. What I think you should do is stand up and then just roll them all out because it's an entire roll of epicness.
It's a roll?
Yeah.
The packaging is
A1.
A1. Okay. Oh wow! I hated that board in real life. Ah! Oh no.
Yep, that one's gonna be fun.
That's not real glass. I don't remember that one.
Louis Vuitton.
How'd they get a song like that?
I don't know.
Oh, mystery. 2x4? And a door? Wow.
So let's run you guys through these real quick. We have just an Old School Relics keychain. This is one of their designs. We have the lowrider board, I believe.
It even says what it says on the real board.
I know, it's amazing the accuracy they got on these because they're pretty good. Here we have the Arin Pro model board, which is the Arin picture with cut out of a regular board.
I snapped his head off and the kids got so mad at me.
Didn't you do a nollie back big spin off the kicker?
Yeah.
That's what it was?
Yeah.
This is the one I was thinking that you wouldn't enjoy that much. It is the nail board.
I don't know how that'll feel on my fingers.
Look at that.
A lot of grip.
Dangerous.
So would this one be the glass or the acrylic?
That's a very good question. I think it can go as either. I would like to say it's the glass board, even though it's not fully made out of glass, but they don't have to know that.
It's made out of glass.
So yeah, this is the glass board. And I do like how they all double as keychains too. I think that's pretty cool. This is Louis Vuitton, I believe. We have not turned it over yet, but I think
looked at it.
Vuitton.
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
This is the saw blade. I have no idea where they got this. And this is the 2x4. This is the original Skate Everything, the first episode we've ever done.
And then a door. Who would wear this on their keyring?
I guess we should just do, or let me rephrase that. I guess you should do some tricks on every single one of these and test the skateability. Are they harder to fingerboard than they were to skateboard? I guess that should be the argument today. Well,
I didn't skate the door, but shall we start with the door?
I guess we start with the door.
I don't know what was done on the door.
Whoa! It's bigger than the ledge.
Counts, right?
I guess, yeah.
Slappy. We're thinking the tech deck is easier to skate than the real door.
Yeah.
Big spin front board. Big spin front door.
It's actually surprisingly poppy.
Oh! Big
Oh.
spin front. Done.
Wow.
Big spin front door.
Wow. You definitely couldn't do a big spin front door on an actual front door.
What about the back
Can you
door?
kickflip it?
The variant of it, probably.
Any kind of flip trick counts.
Oh,
Oh, tray.
Three shots.
Hey, let me get up in there real quick.
Wow.
I am the best.
Why is it so hard? My fingers don't spread that far.
Oh!
540 flip?
Is that a 540 flip?
I don't know what that was, but
neither.
we'll count it.
On to the next.
2x4.
Oh, this one's gonna be tough.
2 bolts also? Wow.
Wait, no. They really two bolted it?
Yeah.
These guys know us too well. It's the most quiet little sounding thing. Wow. 50-50. Five-oh.
Over Willie.
Over Willie. Oh, dark slide. Wow.
Lip. I got lips. Let's try this.
Wow.
Kickflip?
Oh,
Was this kickflip?
I think so, yeah.
I'm guessing it was easier to kickflip on an actual 2x4.
It is. Oh!
Kickflips are hard.
Oh!
They land like this.
Oh.
Shove. Hard flip.
Hard flip. Counting it. Oh! How do you break everything? You stomped the hard flip so hard that you broke the truck. Okay, so I forgot to ask, do you think a door in real life would be easier or this?
This.
Okay, I agree. For this broken one, I
This?
don't know. I think this one's probably definitely easier.
To do grind tricks, yes, but I think flip tricks on in real
yeah.
life is easier.
For sure. Okay, on to the next.
Oh no.
Is it sharp?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It is actually sharp.
Aaron did a shove on this, right?
Yeah, he did a 3 shove on that.
Me too. I don't know what else to do on it.
Oh.
Can't do that in real life.
It looks so funny.
Oh yeah.
It got Doug right in the back bump. Oh, yeah, there's Doug.
Doug, no!
Ow.
Think I can 50 this?
I think so. Slappy 50-50. Oh, that was legit.
Count it. Alright, on the next one.
So, I think my opinion's on this one.
This is definitely easier to skate on
See,
the tech deck.
I don't know if it's necessarily easier, but it's the danger factor a lot less.
Yeah, my fingers aren't cut at all.
No cuts. We didn't actually slice into Doug's back. So I think this is considered
no
a
Dougs were
win.
harmed.
Dude, how do they even know what brand we used? Louis Vuitton.
I wasn't here for this one.
Oh, let me get a shot of that. Oh, that is so sick.
Wow. A lot was done on this one, huh?
I think so. Oh, very.
There we go.
Ooh, switch tray.
Keep this.
Perfect. Ooh,
Slip that, see.
sticky. Ooh. Ooh. What?
That was a front tail shove.
Wow. Perfect. Wow. Ooh.
I'd have been dead so many times.
Ooh, dang. Ooh, yeah.
It wasn't as clean as it could have been, so.
Yes. Oh. That was perfect. Flip. Woo! You got the FPs on your fingertips, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Game over.
Boom. That was good.
That one has skated the best so far.
Yeah, that was the easiest one so far, I think. But comparing it to the regular one, I just don't know.
It's equal, I think.
Yeah.
We can have ties.
I think this is going to be the best one so far. Yep.
Me too.
Might be really slippery,
Oh
but at least it has concave. Oh, this looks weird. You can't even see anything. Did that flip?
That was ollie. Varial. Kickflip.
Kickflip. Ooh. Ooh.
Did it. Wow, that was a good one.
If you like take that somewhere, people are gonna look at it and be like, "What is that?"
No.
Front crook 3 shove.
It is just a little slippery.
Oh,
that was a shove.
that was a shove?
Yeah,
I
I
thought
like
that.
It was like this.
I thought it flipped. Oh,
Wasn't the best.
that's
but
an ender right
It
there.
went like this, and then I went like this, and it like that was flip. But we'll count it.
This 100% is better than the real life one because it didn't break. All right, now we have the drop-in
The real test.
If it survives this, it's a winner.
Wow.
Wow.
Hang on. Let's go back to this for 1 second.
Real quick. We have a little bit of damage. The wheel fell off, so we're gonna attempt to put the wheel back on. You hated this one in real life, you said?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if it's any better. Could you do that in real life or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh no.
Like I don't even know if I could 50 this.
Well, technically it'd just be a 50-50 board slide. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Here we go.
That was amazing.
9.
I feel like the one in real life you could do more on.
Feel that too. Either in fingerboard version, I hated it.
Sometimes you just can't win, people. We try. If you break this one doing a nollie big spin, I will be completely impressed. Wait, hold on. Let me get a close-up of that real quick. The craftsmanship is out of this world.
We did a lot on the Arin.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
I really thought this would be a lot easier on a tech deck. Like we're pretty easy to skate with a tech deck.
Yes!
I'll take it.
See, my thoughts are that the tech deck's already skinny enough. So if you cut that in half, have a tiny little stick to flick off, I doubt it.
But see, in real life, we use Arin's face as the nose, but on the tech deck, it's easier to use it this way. You know what?
Oh, wait, did they reinforce the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wait, no, that's just tape.
Yeah.
Sick.
Because they reinforced the bottom and the real board.
Oh, okay. That's an actual nose blunt.
But it was a blunt.
That's an. Oh! Wow. Whoa. For the Arin board, I'm gonna have to say real life is easier. Tech deck's more durable.
All right. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Last but not least, the most dangerous tech deck in the world.
And one of the most dangerous skateboards in the world.
Yes,
Wow,
sir.
even the bottom is the same.
Yeah, everything is the same. Wow. Scary. How are you doing that? It's a blessing to land primo. It doesn't hurt?
Half cab flip? No. Switch tray.
Wow.
I think this is the best one.
Yeah. Who needs grip when the nails just stick into your fingers?
Ooh, I don't know what that was. Too much grip, you know?
You gotta be really sharp with this one. Whoa.
That doesn't hurt.
No.
No, I really thought that would hurt pretty bad. Yeah.
I don't understand.
Let's go with mini ramp here. Nice.
Don't judge me.
What?
Did you do blunt?
Blunt, flip, blunt.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can do it. Got this. Ow! What the? You just poked me.
Ow.
All right, Fetty, final thoughts on the nail board.
Okay.
It's easier to tech this.
I really thought that that one was going to be just as dangerous for your fingers as the other one is for your feet. But that's just completely wrong at this point. Like, it doesn't even hurt? I must test this myself. Oh gosh, it does hurt actually. I guess when you're going full speed, you're kind of moving so fast it doesn't really,
Just
but
when you have man hands, it doesn't hurt.
that's true.
Oh, that was sick. Let's end it there.
Wow. After you skated all those, what are your final thoughts? I'm very curious to see.
I think they're very dope. This was my favorite one.
Oh, okay. That's actually what I was gonna ask, is what your favorite one was. I personally like the Arin one, just from looks, just because it's so weird seeing him on a fingerboard like that.
It was weird enough seeing him on the actual board.
I know. Yeah, this is really sick. So yeah, a huge thanks to Old School Relics Custom Shop. We have the custom decals here. Fetty had a great time. We both love them. So huge thanks for sending us all these amazing, perfectly like accurate.
Perfect replica.
Seriously, like even the graphic on the bottom is the exact same as the real life one, so that's really, really amazing.
Attention
so
to detail.
Definitely check them out. The link will be in the description below if you want to go to their website and their Facebook and their Instagram and all that stuff. But until then, you can subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. You can click right over here to check out the original nailboard video, and you can click over here to subscribe and like and leave a comment below. So we'll see you next time tomorrow, 10 a.m. See you there.